Now, the wedding is one of the few areas of your life where you'll stand up to a wave of love and applause from the audience. I don't know if you remember, but you guys never gave me that this morning. That's not how it works. It's your responsibility to create the contagion. It's your responsibility to put the energy out, to get more energy back. And that's a choice. So that's the what, the why, and the how of energy. What it is passion, enthusiasm, buzz, spark, electricity, all that stuff, all those good adjectives. Secondly, you need to do it because you get more back. And thirdly, it's about your physical presence and your body language and your voice. We'll go into more complicated stuff in a little minute. This is the easy word, but you're about to do an exercise in energy. One of you grab one of the felt pens that are around you, around the table. One of you grab one of the felt pens. Doesn't matter who it is. One person around the table grab the felt pen. Some of you are smart enough to think, I'm not grabbing the bloody pen. If I grab the pen, I'm going to have to do something. The person that's grabbed the pen is starting this exercise. So what you're about to do around your tables is you're going to stand up in a little minute and you're going to see how much energy you can create just amongst the table and therefore in the room.